Ladies and gentlemen, I have in my hand a copy of tonight's top 10 list, the category, top 10 things I would have called my truck.
It was never your truck.
If Ted hadn't been a jerk and given it back.
It was a rental.
Number 10, the Winnebago. Number 9, the pickup truck. Number 8, the Ford Explorer. Number 7, the U-Scream truck. U-Scream truck. Number 6, Feels on Wheels. Hello. Number 5, the Ride Her truck. Number 4, the 18 Squealer. Number 3, the Escalade. Number 2, the Slamboni. And the number 1 thing I would have called my truck if Ted hadn't been a jerk and given it back, the '69 Chevy.